Hi and welcome to this week's project. This week's project slightly different. For me it is just a week ago today we were at Maker Central, which was the event of the year. Absolutely fantastic, loved every second of it. And as you may well have known, a lot of you, I was going down there for easy wood tools. So when they went to the show, my plan was actually to go down and buy some. But when I went down to the show, it was a stall showing all the different tools and you were able to test them out. But they weren't actually selling them there on that day. But what they were doing was saying that they were going to be selling them through Amazon from now on. So anyway, at the end of the show, thanks to another maker, they didn't give me these tools. They gave me a couple of tools. They gave me a detailer and a roughing, and this is the mid-size. They very kindly gave me these two and asked me just to do a review on the tools, and well, I was more than happy because they're beautiful tools. I then came back and just a few days ago on Amazon, they've started to go up now. So I managed to get the finishing tool from the same series, and I've also got the parting tool. So this is a review today. Now, to stop yabbering on, I wanted to test these tools on wood and I want to test them on resin. These blanks that I have here, these are just extra resin I have left, and I pour them into a plastic cup. I do not degas them or do anything with them. I just pour them straight in the container. I can't see any air bubbles in them, so that's quite a good thing. But because they're all different colours and stuff like that, it was very difficult to know what to do with them. They also very kindly gave me one of the smocks, but it's actually a bit too big, so I'm going to be putting it in to get made to the right size. And they also gave me one of their t-shirts, which were specifically for Maker Central, so thank you very much.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be.
These tools, to be honest, I'm a beginner. This is the reason why I wanted the tools, and they're so easy to use. They are a lot easier than the other carbites I got. These are carbide tool round head that I got in the UK, but this head is so big compared to that. You get a much finer cut and finish, and it's easier to dig right into the wood when you're doing that. Obviously I don't have to worry about sharpening, and that's one of the main reasons as well, but the tools are brilliant to use. Really delighted. I really do feel that I've still got a lot of learning to do, but I feel like the tools are really going to help now. I will put all the links to all the tools down below, and do go and check them out. They also do a smaller set than this, which is great for small projects or pens or stuff, and they do the pro ones after this. I shall link these ones and the small sets, because they do a set for the small ones for the pen turning. I'll list those all down below, but they're well worth it. They really are. I mean, I've heard lots about these and I've read lots about them, but having put my hands on them, I can honestly say brilliant. So we want to see the project now. So that's the box finished. In the end I decided, because the light wouldn't shine through it, I mean, you can't really see out here at this time of the day, but it's not very well lit in there, so I decided to do it this way round instead, and did the base like that, buffed it on the machine after I got a great shine off that bit of resin, and it did have some nice character in here of some of the resins that I did use. In the bottom, because obviously I'd used the screw in there, so I decided to just curve that bottom in, because it just looks a lot better than just a drill hole there where the screw was. So I finished that like that, so I won't be so ashamed when I pick it up. I should post some pictures up after, and don't forget to check the links out for the Easy Wood tools, and thank you very much for watching.